In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at how to use a script called Flubaroo to grade student assessments that are taken from a Google form. So the first thing you'll need to do is create your form and put it in a spot where your students can take the assessment. You as the teacher also need to take the assessment because you will need one submission to be the answer key. You'll notice here you can put any style of question in there you want to, although it has to be a question that can be graded. So if you're putting in something like a short answer, Flubaroo is not going to be able to grade that. It has to have a definite answer that can match up. You'll also notice I included a spot for the name, which is also very important. So once the students have taken the assessment, you're going to go to the accompanying spreadsheet, and you can see here we have all of the question responses and the names. And again, this is very important, and so now we also have the teacher, and so this becomes our answer key. So now that all of the students have taken this assessment, we need to install the Flubaroo script. To do that, click on Tools and go to the Script Gallery. In the Script Gallery, just type in Flubaroo to the search bar and click Search. And once the Flubaroo script appears, go ahead and click on Install. You will receive a message, and if you can't, for some reason, this wasn't scrolling properly, but I'm going to go ahead and close this out, and you can see now I have Flubaroo showing up here. So the first thing you're going to do is grade the assignment, but the script needs to be activated, so I'm going to go ahead and authorize that by saying OK. And now the script is ready to go. So again, I'm going to go back up to Flubaroo, and I'm going to go back to grade assignment. And so now it's going to walk me through a few steps here. First of all, it just wants to know what each question is doing here. So for example, the what is your name question, in this case, it's identifying the student, and then I can assign point values to the other questions as well. So I could give it more points if I really wanted to do that. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. The next step, it wants to know which one is going to be the answer key. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then I'm going to click continue. Flubaroo will now grade my assessment, and so I can go to View Grades, and so here we go. It created a separate tab at the bottom for the grades, and so now I can see how the students did and how they did on each question. So I can also go back and look at the raw data, and I can go back and look at the grades tab. So that is Flubaroo, a nice easy script for grading assessments taken with a Google form.